Welcome back, everybody, to A Man, a Van, a Plan. Well, today I'm starting a whole new series. This will be an occasional series of 2-minute tips. This is where I'm going to talk about little things that can make your life easier, whether you're on a camping trip, you're preparing for a camping trip, or eventually even building out vans. Today we're going to talk about dehydrating food, and I'm going to give you a couple of tips on that. Today's tip has to do with food preparation. In about 3 weeks I'm going to be heading out for a 2-night backpacking trip, and one of the things that I want to eat on that trip is some homemade spaghetti sauce. Your dehydrator probably has trays similar to this with holes in it. Well, you can't very well put spaghetti sauce on there to dehydrate. So what I do when I want to dehydrate spaghetti sauce or salsa, anything real liquidy, is I take the bottom tray and I cover it with 2 layers of plastic wrap. Next, what I'm going to do is simply take the spaghetti sauce, dump it out on that bottom tray, and spread it out evenly. So I'm going to set those on here. Pop the top on the dehydrator, turn it on, and I'll be back in 24 hours. It's been almost 24 hours. Let's see how we did. Alright, here's our spaghetti sauce. And you can see it comes up very, very easily right off the plastic wrap. So we're going to take that and bag it up. The last great thing about using plastic wrap like this is cleanup becomes super easy. Now you simply take your plastic wrap, toss it out, and you're all done. And there is your 2-minute tip.